If you want to make your photos look instantly better on your phone, then understanding HSL and Lightroom Mobile is a must. In this video, I'll show you exactly what HSL means, where to find it, and how to use it to fine-tune the colors in your image. This is one of the fastest ways to improve skin tones, backgrounds, skies, and overall color balance without making your photo look unnatural. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips. Let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and choose the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, look at the bottom menu and tap Color. Inside the Color section, you'll see Mix. This is where HSL lives in Lightroom Mobile. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation, and Luminance, and it lets you adjust specific color ranges instead of changing the entire photo at once. When you open Mix, you'll see different color channels like red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, and magenta. These are preset color ranges, and each one controls a different part of your image. For example, if you're editing a portrait, orange is usually the most important channel because it often affects skin tones. If you're editing a landscape, blue and green can make a big difference for skies and plants. Now let's break down how each setting works. Hue changes the actual color itself. So if you move hue left or right, you are shifting that color toward a different shade. For example, orange can move slightly more red or more yellow depending on the adjustment. Saturation controls the intensity of the color. If you increase saturation, the color becomes richer and stronger. If you lower it, the color becomes softer and less noticeable. Luminance controls brightness. Increasing luminance makes that color brighter, while decreasing it makes the color darker. Here's how to use it in a simple way. Tap the color you want to edit, such as orange. Then start with saturation. If skin looks too strong or too colorful, reduce saturation a little. If it looks dull, raise it slightly. Next, try luminance. If the skin looks too dark, increase luminance a bit to brighten it. If the skin looks too washed out, lower it slightly for more depth. Finally, adjust hue only if you need a subtle color shift. Small changes are best here because HSL can quickly make your photo look unnatural if you push it too far. A really good tip is to make one change at a time and zoom in on the image as you edit. That way you can clearly see how each adjustment affects the photo. If you're working on a selfie or portrait, keep skin tones natural by using small orange adjustments. If you're editing a sunset, try changing yellow and orange for warmer tones. If your sky needs more pop, adjust blue saturation and luminance carefully to create a more polished look. The best part about HSL in Lightroom Mobile is that it gives you precise control while still being quick and easy to use. You don't need advanced editing skills to get professional-looking results. Just open your photo, go to Color, tap Mix, choose the color range, and adjust hue, saturation, and luminance until the image looks right to you. So that's the basics of HSL in Lightroom Mobile. Once you start using Color Mix properly, you'll have much more control over your edits, and your photos will look cleaner, richer, and more intentional. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.